Welcome back, engineering heads. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Welcome to the MIMS channel. Thanks to the automobile, the internal combustion engine, and great engineers like Carl Benz, who is given the title of the first practical modern automobile producer, Henry Ford, the chief developer of the assembly line technique of mass production. Humans have mastered the art of transportation and car manufacturing. Humans have been using different forms of transportation for thousands of years, starting with the domestication of animals, such as horses and donkeys, to vehicles powered by different sizes of engines, coming in all different types of forms, from cars, trucks, and buses to trains, enabling people and goods to travel quickly and efficiently over long distances. Who actually created the first car? It's hard to credit the invention of the automobile to a single person, because approximately 100,000 patents led to cars as we know them today. But also, people disagree on what qualifies as the first true automobile. There are historians who qualify the steam engine powered tricycle as the first true automobile, credited to French military engineer named Nicolas Joseph CUGNOT. In 1769, he built a single front wheel which performed both steering and driving functions. It traveled around 2.25 miles per hour with 4 passengers aboard for about 15 minutes. However, it needed to rest and recuperate enough power to move again. It was made for hauling artillery. Early steam engines added so much weight that they proved inefficient for vehicles, traveling on regular roads instead of rails. For this reason, some people argue that the first true automobile was a gasoline-powered vehicle. For the other side of the coin, invention of the automobile is credited to two inventors, Carl Friedrich Benz and Gottlieb Daimler. If you are a big fan of Mercedes-Benz, these names might sound very familiar to you. The two filed for their patents the same day. They had never met before, in two different German cities, on January 29, 1886. Benz had invented a three-wheeled vehicle, which was the first to combine an internal combustion engine with an integrated chassis, while Daimler, with his collaborator Wilhelm Maybach, had manufactured the world's first four-wheeled automobile and featured the first high-speed gasoline engine. Even though this great vehicle was a very well sophisticated machine, automobiles at that time were lacking many comfortability and safety features compared to what modern cars have today. Back then, to get a car started, you had to hand crank it. The vehicles had no windshield wipers, no starter, no powered windows, no air conditioning, nor airbags and horns. Through time, these features have been inserted and improved, to the point where today, if we were to lose any of these components inside our vehicles, we would be very concerned for our safety and pleasure. Another setback in vehicle production during those times was mass manufacturing production techniques. To manufacture a single car, it used to take days. This made working conditions in early car factories often harsh, with long hours and low wages. Workers had to perform physically demanding tasks, and safety measures were often lacking. Mass production techniques did not come to prosper until the early 1900s to manufacture vehicles on a larger scale. It was great engineer slash inventor and businessman Henry Ford who revolutionized the art of mass production using the assembly line technique. The assembly line is a manufacturing process that involves assembling several parts of the final product in a logical order. Henry Ford first fully adapted the moving assembly line at his factory in Michigan in 1913. He used this method to produce the Ford Model T, a car with completely interchangeable parts. The assembly line reduced the time to build a car from 12 hours to 1 hour and 33 minutes. Assembly lines also allowed for standardized, efficient production of cars, with each worker responsible for a specific task in the assembly process. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.